Building voice chat shouldn't feel like building a separate game. Today we're releasing the embedded voice chat plugin for Godot 4, a high-performance WebRTC solution that lives inside your engine's native systems, not alongside them. Connectivity is flexible by design. The plugin features a built-in RPC group, allowing you to use Godot's native high-level multiplayer system to exchange WebRTC descriptions and candidates automatically. Just join a group and the plugin handles the handshake. Need more control? Use our custom group interface to implement your own signaling protocol, whether it's WebSockets, Steam, or a custom backend. We provide the tools, you decide how to use them. Most voice chat solutions operate in a vacuum. They capture and send audio through low-level APIs that never touch your game's engine. We took a different approach. Embedded voice chat is built directly into the Godot audio system. This means your voice chat isn't just a separate stream, it's a part of your soundscape. You can apply any native Godot audio effect, like reverb, distortion, or EQ, directly to your players' voices to make the audio sound like they are underwater or inside a massive hall. If the engine audio can do it, your voice chat audio can do it. More importantly, it solves the feedback hurdle by feeding the master bus back into the echo canceller. Unlike other voice chat solutions, your AEC won't just ignore chat voices. It will intelligently filter out your game's music and sound effects, providing a clean, professional experience even for players on open speakers with an explosion sound in-game. This is a truly universal tool, supporting everything from desktop to mobile and even ARM64 Linux. We've ensured global reliability, even in regions without a stable Steam connection, by providing a dedicated stun and turn server executable. This allows you to easily set up your own infrastructure within your local VPC provider, ensuring your players stay connected anywhere in the world. And you won't be flying blind. Our detailed Godot-style documentation covers every class and signal, ensuring a smooth integration into any project. Take control of your game's social experience. The embedded voice chat plugin is available now from 547 Game Studio on itch.io, with a release on the official Godot asset store planned for the near future. Check the link in the description to grab your copy and join our Discord community for support and to share what you're building. Happy coding!